Hey guys, welcome to ANS Solver. Today we'll be doing the concept of the mean and variance of AX plus minus BY, which is basically a subtopic in the chapter of linear combinations of random variables. Okay, so in this form, you need to note that A and B, okay, are constants. This is what you need to note. Okay, and X and Y, which you have, are variables. Okay. Now, in these type of questions, I'll tell you what will be provided, okay, so that you're 100% sure. So they'll give you the E of X and the variance of X, okay, of the independent variable. Note that X and Y are independent variable. Okay, and later, like in the next video, we'll do independent observations. Please don't confuse both of these terms. Okay, these are independent variables. Okay, so here I'll have E of Y and the variance of Y. Okay, I'll just write independent variable here. Okay, because this is important. Okay, X and Y are independent variables. This is what you need to know. Okay, so for this, now they'll ask you the E of AX plus BY. Okay, so this will be equal to A into the E of X plus B into the E of Y. Okay, simple. Now they'll ask you the mean of AX minus BY, which is equal to A, okay, into the E of X minus B into the E of Y. Correct? Really simple. As it is, the signs are same, everything is same. Now comes the variance, which is important. I have the variance of AX, okay, plus BY. So this will be equal to, because these are independent variables, okay, not independent observations, that's a different concept. We'll do that in the next video. Okay, this will be A square into the variance of X plus B square into the variance of Y. And here I'll have the variance of AX minus BY. This will be equal to A square into the variance of X. The sign in the middle will be plus, and you will have a B square with a variance of Y. The sign here, okay, will be plus, because in the previous video also I told you variance, okay, can never be negative. This is what you need to know, a very important concept. Okay, they ask this in many past papers, these conditions. Okay, so you need to understand this. It's a very important condition to know. Okay, so this was basically, okay, the concept for independent variables. Okay, again note it's variables. Okay, because this is a very important concept. Later you will understand why it's important and why I'm stressing on it again and again. Okay, so now let's do a basic example. Let's say they give you the E of X, okay, which is equal to 10. They give you the E of Y, which is equal to 8. They give you the variance of X, which is equal to 5, and the variance of Y, which is equal to 6. This is what is given to you. Now they'll ask you, okay, question 1, calculate, okay, the mean of 3x minus 2y. Okay, and they'll even ask you the variance of the same 3x minus 2y. Correct? So the mean first, 3x minus 2y, will be 3 into the mean of x, which is 10. Correct? Minus 2 into the mean of y, which is 8. So this will basically be 30 minus 16, which will be equal to 14. Got it? Now I have the variance. This will be 3 into, actually 3 square, 3 square into, okay, the variance of x, which is 5. Correct? Plus, okay, the sign will of the negative will change into plus, okay, 2 square, okay, into the variance of y, which is 6. Okay, so now 3 square is basically 9. 9 into 5 is 45. Plus 2 square is 4. 4 into 6 is 24. Correct? So I'll have 69 here basically. Got it? So this is basically the mean and the variance, which you need to know. And in the question, they'll even say that x and y are independent, okay, independent variables, okay, variables. This is the important term which they'll use. Okay, so this was the basic concept of how it will be used. Now in the next video, we'll do independent observations, okay, and multiples, which is a very, very, very important concept. Okay, so please view the next video. Thank you very much for watching.